Okay, biscuits, we are going to tackle the horror show that is the homeschool table. So it's got piled up recycling stuff that I have been keeping for him. It's got our containers that we bought at the dollar store, and it just needs to have like a full tidy up and clean. I have to get it organized enough so that I can scrub the surfaces. It's disgusting. I've been putting it off because I've had so much else on my plate, but the time has come. Let's do it. Put on our cleaning vibes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Little tunes. We can do it. Okay, I admit this table looks horrible, but it just means that, you know what, we've been using it, we've been crafting, we've been learning. Ooh, eyeballs. I love the eyeballs. I have been hunting down squiggly eyeballs for forever online and could not find them. And I finally found them in a dollar store just locally. I went in because I have not found good craft supplies online. They are overpriced. I just saw the prices shoot up during the pandemic, so I've been going into stores for that occasionally if I really need something. I really like these handled baskets. I think you saw that in the haul video I did. They're just really easy to compartmentalize, you know, your different crafty supplies, your hole punches, your googly eyes, your pencils, all of that. It just makes it easier when you're organizing the things and you know where everything is, because I'm an absent-minded goldfish and I will completely forget where all this stuff is. I'll be, oh, did I buy that? Do I not have it? It happens every year when I dig out backdrops and things for Patreon, or if I dig out backdrops for my videos for my sit-in chats, and I go, oh yeah, I did have this after all. So if I don't keep it organized to begin with, it's really easy for me to lose track of what I have, not know what kind of craft projects I can plan for, which is one of the big motivators for me for wanting to get this area cleaned, because it just lets me then know, you know, what creative ideas can I have? What supplies do I have that then I can create with? I got this big supply of little mini tubs of Play-Doh, which I like because, as you know, people leave the lids off and destroy Play-Doh. So when they're smaller, you're losing less Play-Doh. I got it at Costco. I think it was $11.99, which I thought was a pretty good price for a huge amount of Play-Doh to play with and do things like that. I want to get some molding clay. Back when I was in university, I used to get a hard drying clay that you didn't have to kennel dry, just air dried, but you can make decorative little pots and things with it. And I would like to get back into that because quarantine has really made me appreciate wanting to have more physical, tactile hobbies to do, to relax and calm myself and kind of have more of a routine between work and relaxation, because I'm sure all of you that work from home know this. It can be really hard to draw the line and be like, okay, I'm not going to work now. I'm going to have me time, family time, at home time, and then I'm going to go to bed. And for me, it's really easy to just, you know, pick up my laptop, pick up my camera, and get a little bit of work done in the evenings. And then it kind of ruins that routine, that flow of at-home time. Yeah, gotta dance. Oh yeah, shake it, dance, dance. I don't know about you, but dancing just helps me be less grumpy about cleaning. It helps me want to do more cleaning. Because, you know, cleaning and organizing, I love it, but sometimes actually getting it going, I put on some pop tunes. I like to have pop music playlists on YouTube, and it just makes a difference for me to be able to just shake and dance and sing along to it and be goofy, because that way I feel like cleaning and organizing isn't a punishment. It just kind of rewires my brain into thinking, oh, cleaning is really super fun, right? It's a fun thing to do. it is clean, it is organized. It makes me so happy to have a clean, organized space. It just lets my mind relax. It makes my body be less tense. I feel like for me, it's really important to have an organized space. And I know that's not true for everybody. Some people really thrive in disorganized chaos, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I know that I am happier and calmer mentally and physically when my space is a little bit more organized, a little bit more tidy. And hopefully, while I know it's going to get messy, hopefully we can keep it organized pretty well, because now we have containers for everything. We know where everything goes, basically. So while, of course, it's going to get messy, hopefully it stays vaguely organized. Hey, thank you, Biscuits, so much for coming along. I know I don't do a lot of organizing videos on here. I tend to do more just my daily cleaning routines, but I thought it would be fun to bring you along to show you a little bit of cleaning and a little bit of organizing on a project that I think we can all identify with, which is trying to clean areas of the house that we use regularly and keep them organized, because this crafty area is something we use all the time. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, follow along on Instagram, because Spooktober is coming up, Biscuits, and there are going to be so many spooky fun sassy photos on there. I love Spooktober. It's going to be fun. I'm already planning it out. The smoke is starting to lift today. Today is the first day that I'm seeing blue skies. Woohoo, go Sunday. So I am hoping that the weather will be good for being able to take Spooktober photos. I'm rooting for it. Hey, see you in the next video, Biscuits.